Facing the couldn't open WhatsApp, WhatsApp is unable to open error on your Android phone? No need to worry. In this video, I'll walk you through easy steps to fix it. This issue could be caused by low storage, app corruption, or outdated software on your phone. But with these fixes, you'll be able to solve it quickly. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Restart your device. A simple restart can resolve temporary software glitches. Hold the power button of your phone. When the power menu comes up, select Restart. After the restart, try opening WhatsApp again. Solution 2. Clear cache and data. When there are too many files saved up in your WhatsApp, you will face this error. So tap and hold on to the WhatsApp app icon. Now tap the I button or app info. This will take you to your WhatsApp app settings. Now find the option called storage and tap on it. After that, tap clear cache. With that done, tap on clear data. Now you'll be into the manage storage page inside the WhatsApp app. Find and open any of the chats. And select all the unnecessary files, images, and videos. After selecting, tap on the trash can icon in the corner. Select delete. Now repeat this process for all the other unnecessary chats. After that, restart WhatsApp and see if the issue is fixed or not. Solution 3. Clear storage. Insufficient storage can prevent WhatsApp from functioning properly. Open your Files app or the Google Files Manager and delete the unnecessary files or apps to free up space. After clearing at least 2 GB of space, try opening WhatsApp again. That's how you can fix the couldn't open WhatsApp error on your Android phone. If this video helped, make sure to like it and subscribe for more tips like this.